Lash Clusters DIY at home, 72 clusters in one tray. You can apply cluster lashes at home by yourself and create a recent super popular manga effect. Great quality B and Q cluster lashes look real, not plasticky, gorgeous results, and lash clusters do not easily fall apart. They are reusable with proper care. Suitable to wear. Use a tweezer to pinch the band of cluster eyelashes and apply lash clusters below your natural lashes. New style, new possibility. The individual cluster lashes are great for a natural look or glam look. Individual lashes. The individual lashes blend effortlessly with other lengths and your own lashes and match more possibilities.